The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Eden's Secret. Can you guess which soap we're doing today? What's in here might give you a clue, because they're snowballs and these are snowflakes. But we are going to have different embeds on top this time, because I did explain in a recent video, which you can watch. I'll put the link to that in the description box below. The old silicone molds I was using have become very decrepit, and so I actually threw them out. And it was a little difficult to get neat embeds with them. So I saw these, I think I saw them in Home Bargains. Actually no, I think it was Amazon. So I'll put a link to those in the description box as well. So we're just going to unmold those. I think they're going to look really, really cute. So a Christmas tree, we've got a snowman, and you can see how shallow they are. They're just perfect for embeds for the top of a soap. And that was another thing I didn't like too much with the old snowflakes. They were deeper. So we've got a Santa's hat, a Christmas hat there. And then we've got Miss Gingerbread and Mr. Gingerbread Man. Oh no, that looks like a girl as well, but it's not. That's the boy. And there's the snowflake. Isn't it gorgeous? I would have loved a mold just with all snowflakes like that. Really like that. And then these ones are just a repeat of the ones that we've already unmolded. I think they're going to look really special. So it's that special time of year. This seems to be the soap that people always look forward to seeing. But it is going to be ever so slightly different this year. Now we've got some soap batter separated off. I've got 1.8 kilos in this one. I've got 900 in this one, and I've got a kilo in this one to the left. This one to the left is going to be a white swirl. So that'll be going away to get some titanium dioxide in them. And these two, what I'm doing is I'm actually using one loaf mold and a slab mold, because I want all the loaf mold samples to be the same size and shape in the gift set, Christmas gift set. In the Christmas holiday festive collection this year, I want all of the soaps in that set to be the same size and shape. So I'm making an extra loaf mold, because if I do the slab mold, the shape won't be the same as if I did it in a loaf mold. These two here, so this is going to be the topping. So this is going to be probably the same colour as my gloves, and it's just going to be a flat blue like that, like a cobalt blue. And that's why there's less in this one. This one's going to be the topping on the loaf mold, and this is going to be the topping on the slab mold. And then what I've got left in my container is going to be blue. So we're going to have a blue and white swirl going on this time. I'm not actually going to put tubes of white through there for a change. I'm just going to have the snowflakes and snowballs as a topping on the top of the soap, and then just have a gorgeous in the pot swirl for the base, which I absolutely adore. having to work fast because this peppermint fragrance is very strong. No, not because it's strong, because it's fast moving. Stupid lady. Right, let's go for the paw. So we're just putting that blue top layer on this side. That's it. And then same on the slab mould. As you can see, underneath is rock hard already. So don't want this to be a real deep soap. What's in this mould, it's more like a 3/4 of a batch recipe. Because I don't want it to be right up flush with the top. And I don't want it to be half full, I wanted it to be somewhere in between both. So we're going to decorate them. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Next one you should see. Snowflake as tight in as we can. And then we should be able to get, oops, a snowball in there and one in there. Next up we have a Christmas tree, which is not going to fit. Santa's hat and a snowman. I guess that's the best way to do it, like that. Mr. Gingerbread Man, oop, and Mrs. Gingerbread Man. Christmas tree, snowflake, it does look good, doesn't it, with that deep blue violet background and then the white on top. It's pretty unique and nice. There we go, so that is that for the loaf. I'm very happy. Do you like it? Right, now time for these gorgeous snowballs, which just finish off this design so well. This is my new version of Snowflakes and Snowballs, and we'll be back to cut this tomorrow, but for you it'll be seen in the next scene. Get it? Seen in the next scene? Scene, S-E-E-N, scene, S-C-E-N-E. And this is what the loaf mold looks like. Just look at that beautiful swirl. Isn't it gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the loaf we're going to cut into sample sizes, and this is the slab mold. So I could have done with a bit more for the base and not as much for the top, but when I make another batch I'll make sure the swirly part comes higher up and just have like a thinner layer of the soap. So this one's gonna take some measuring. Actually, I'm gonna need to weigh the whole loaf and then divide every slice by, say, 180 grams, and that'll tell me how many slices I need to cut this into. So we'll do that, but I'm going to cut the thin slab. I'm going to cut the loaf first. This is what the soaps look like cut. So you can see they're a different shape to the loaf mold. The slab, it's more or less a cube shaped soap, and this is all the slices to go in the gift sets. If you're interested in purchasing any of our products, pop over to the website www.edenssecret.co. If I don't see you over there, I'll see you back here for another video from me, Karen Morland. I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.